My dear children, so today we are going to discuss about energy transformation. So yesterday we have revised the topic energy. So what is energy? Energy can neither, what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Okay, energy is what? It is the ability to do work, and we have discussed different form of energy. That is mainly kinetic energy and potential energy, and that is it is a form of what? Mechanical energy. Then we have discussed chemical energy, thermal energy, sound energy, light energy, etc. So and elastic energy too. So next we are going to discuss about energy transformation. We know that energy can be changed from one form to another. Okay, energy can be changed from one form to another form. That is, for example, in a battery, if you are using in a torch, that particular chemical energy in the torch can be converted to light energy as well as heat energy. So here the energy is transferring from one form to another. For example, in a car, chemical energy in petrol is transferred as kinetic energy while moving. Okay, so this is about what? Energy transformation. Here they have given you an example, that is, as water falls over a waterfall, we know that at first water is stored. So it is having what type of energy? Potential energy, and it is stored against the gravity. So gravitational potential energy. It is transformed into kinetic energy. The move store and the move. So it is transformed to what? Kinetic energy, then to thermal energy, and when it hits the ground, okay, when it hits the ground, it is transferred to thermal energy. Or the kinetic energy of water stream could be transformed into the turbine shaft. അതായത് ഇപ്പോൾ ഡാംസിലൊക്കെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ആ principle, that kinetic energy is used to rotate the turbine rotate ചെയ്യാൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നു. In effect, it will be producing electricity, that is into electricity by turning shaft of a generator, and then to thermal energy by passing electricity through a resistor by raising its temperature. So finally heat can be transferred from the resistor to the surrounding air to warm a house. അല്ലേ, അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയും എനർജി ട്രാൻസ്മിഷൻ ആണ് അവിടെ നടക്കുന്നത്. റെസിസ്റ്റർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇറ്റ്സ് എ കോമ്പണൻറ്റ് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് യൂസ് ടു കൺട്രോൾ ഇലക്ട്രിക് കറണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ കോമ്പണൻറ്റ് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് യൂസ് ടു കൺട്രോൾ ദി ഇലക്ട്രിക് current. So it is known as what? Resistor. So you will be studying this particular about resistor in your coming classes about electricity while you are studying electricity. So next we are going to learn different types of energy transformation. That is, chemical energy can be converted to mechanical energy. Okay, chemical energy can be converted to mechanical energy, and light energy, or that is radiant energy, can be converted to chemical energy. അല്ലെ, photosynthesis like a light energy absorb ചെയ്തിട്ട് അത് സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുകയാണ് as what? Chemical energy. And like this chemical energy, അല്ലെ, പെട്രോളിലൊക്കെ ഉള്ളത് എന്താ? പെട്രോൾ ഡീസലിലൊക്കെ it is chemical energy, and that energy can be converted to what? Mechanical energy. Okay, and electrical energy can be converted to thermal energy. അല്ല, ഇപ്പോൾ കെറ്റിലൊക്കെ എങ്ങനെയാണ്? ഇലക്ട്രിക്കൽ എനർജി ഈസ് കൺവേർട്ടഡ് ടു thermal, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇൻഡക്ഷൻ സ്റ്റവ്, അവിടെയൊക്കെ ഇലക്ട്രിക്കൽ എനർജി ഈസ് കൺവേർട്ടഡ് ടു thermal energy. So here we can see some energy transmission diagrams. That is, energy input is chemical energy. അല്ല, ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഈ ഒരു എൻജിന് കൊടുക്കുന്ന എനർജി ഇൻപുട്ട് എന്താ? ഇറ്റ്സ് കെമിക്കൽ എനർജി. ദിസ് ഇസ് എ പ്രോസസ്. ആൻഡ് what is the useful energy output? Here that chemical energy is transferred as a kinetic energy when the car is moving. അല്ലേ, അവിടെ വേസ്റ്റ് എനർജി, നമുക്കിവിടെ ആവശ്യം ഇല്ലാത്ത എനർജി ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? thermal energy and sound energy. അല്ലേ, thermal energy and the sound energy is the wasted form of energy. So this is the energy input. Chemical energy is the energy input, and the process is used by the engine, and it is converted as kinetic energy. It is a useful form of energy, and along with that there is wasted energy output, that is thermal energy and sound energy. So next process is in the lamp. Here the energy input is electrical energy, and this electrical energy is converted as light energy and thermal energy. It is converted as what? Light energy and thermal energy. അല്ലേ, നമുക്കറിയാം ലൈറ്റ് മാത്രമാണ് നമുക്ക് ആവശ്യമുള്ള എനർജി. പക്ഷേ അതിൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം എന്ത് എനർജിയും കൂടെ ജനറേറ്റഡ് ആവും, ഹീറ്റ് എനർജിയും കൂടെ ജനറേറ്റഡ് ആവും. ബട്ട് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് എ വേസ്റ്റഡ് ഫോം ഓഫ് എനർജി. It is a wasted form of energy. So energy input is what? Electrical energy. Then the process here, it is used for lighting the lamp, and then the useful energy is light. Useful energy output is light energy, and wasted energy output is thermal energy. Next is radio. Here we can see this is what chemical energy, this is what chemical energy, this is the energy input, and the process here it is used in the radio. So radio laanengil namukkariyam sound energy varum, and avade veruna waste energy endha orupaadu ingane endha oru particular substance chemical energy provide cheyumbo heat energy generate cheyum. So the wasted form of energy is thermal energy. Okay, so the energy input is chemical, and it can be converted to sound and thermal energy. Where sound energy is the useful energy output, thermal energy is not what waste energy output. So this is another type of energy transformation diagram known as Sankey diagram. So Sankey diagram, in that particular Sankey diagram, the width of the arrow, this width of the arrow will give you the amount of energy that is given and amount of energy that is released. Okay, so here we can say this is input energy. Okay, suppose we can consider this is input energy. Consider as a light lamp. Okay, this is input energy, and these two arrows are what? Output energy. So input energy is what? 100 joules. Input energy is how much? It is 100 joules. And light energy is this is output energy. Okay, this is output energy, and here it will be 10 joules of light energy and 90 joules of what? Heat energy. So total 100 joules. So here this is a energy transfer diagram for a lamp, and the electrical energy is converted to light energy and heat energy, and the energy given is equal to energy released. Input energy is equal to output energy. So what energy is totally transferred, right? And here the width of this particular arrow shows the what amount of energy. ഇവിടെ 90 joules എന്താ കൂടുതലാണ് അല്ലേ, സോ അതുകൊണ്ട് വിത്ത് കൂടി. ഇവിടെ 10 joules എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കുറവാണ്, സോ വിത്ത് കുറഞ്ഞു. സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് അനദർ വേ ഓഫ് representing energy transfer diagram, and this is known as Sankey diagram. ഇതൊക്കെ പഠിച്ച കാര്യങ്ങളാണ്. This is known as Sankey diagram. Okay, this is known as what? Sankey diagram. Next, you can see an example of another type of lamp which is have a different energy output, whereas in difference in amount of energy. That is, here input energy is 100 joules and output energy is light energy is 75 joule and heat energy is 25 joules. അപ്പോൾ നേരത്തെ 90% of energyയും വേസ്റ്റഡ് എനർജി ആയിരുന്നു, പക്ഷേ ഇവിടെ 25% വേസ്റ്റ് വരുന്നുള്ളൂ അല്ലേ. അതായത് ഇവിടെ ഹീറ്റ് എനർജീൻ്റെ തിക്നെസ് എന്താ കുറഞ്ഞു. ഇവിടെ ഏതിനാ ഹീറ്റ് കൂടുതൽ? ലൈറ്റ് എനർജി ആണ് കുറച്ചും കൂടെ കൂടുതൽ അല്ലേ. ലൈറ്റ് എനർജി ഇസ് മോർ. സോ ദിസ് ഷോസ് ദി another type of what? Energy transfer diagram. And here in Sankey diagram, the width of this arrow will give you the amount of energy that is used. Okay, so let us write this sum of energy transfer diagram. So this is a lamp. How did the energy transfer occur? Okay, so in the lamp, electrical energy, so this is what? This is the input energy. Here the input energy is what? Input energy is the electrical energy, and that electrical energy is transferred as what? Light energy. It is transferred as light energy and heat energy. Small amount of energy will be transferred as what? Heat energy. It is transferred as what? Heat energy. Small amount will be transferred as heat energy. So this is in a lamp, the electrical energy is transferred as light energy and heat energy. So what about radio? In radio, it is chemical energy. So avada endha battery aanu. This is the input energy. And that energy is transferred as sound energy. It is transferred as sound energy. And then we know that in the type of energy ആണ് electrical energy അല്ലേ, it is transferred as electrical energy ആയിട്ട് ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ ആയാലേ we will get what sound energy. it is transferred as electrical energy and then heat energy അല്ലേ. അവിടെ ഒരു എപ്പോഴും electrical energy generate ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ small amount will be transferred as heat energy. So the chemical energy is transferred as electrical energy, sound energy and heat energy. So this is what energy transformation diagram. So we can transform energy from one form to another form. So it can be represented using energy transfer diagram like this arrow and like our Sankey diagram. Okay, so this is all about energy transfer, transformation of energy. I hope this is clear for you. If you have any doubt, you can message me, children. Thank you.